Some important safety rules that need to be followed on construction sites are: barricade all construction sites to prevent infiltration of locals and animals, etc. Demarcate areas for depositing materials on the site and dumping debris. Ensure establishment of a site office and a guard on site. Insist on properly designed and erected shuttering and scaffolding works. Clear and organize the worksite regularly. Insist on safety gear for workers. There are helmets, boots, gloves, belts and goggles. Insist on well-tested equipment and tools for use on site. And take safe electrical, water supply and drainage connection for any building work.